Move routine in policy spend forward automatically with Auto Mark Ready and Auto Sync. There are two ways to automate the Mark Ready process. First, you can create an advanced rule by going to Settings, then Coding Rules, and Create Advanced Rule. You can automatically mark transactions as ready when they meet specific criteria you define, like a merchant, amount range, approval status, and more. Ideal for recurring spend you already know how to code. Second, you can enable Ramps AI to proactively mark transactions ready for you. Begin by going to Settings, then Automation Settings. Next, toggle on Auto Mark Ready. When Ramp is confident in the transaction details as well as the completeness of the submission requirements, and it falls below your predefined materiality threshold, it will automatically move the transaction to the Ready to Sync tab. To automate syncing, toggle on Sync Transactions and Reimbursements marked Ready overnight daily. Then Ready transactions will sync to your accounting software each night. Fully automate routine spend end-to-end by turning on Auto Mark Ready and